Nick, you know who soaks sponge cake in champagne?
Who?
Nobody.
What was the
It was a mix of champagne and soft tart. Is it a lot?
This amateur chef's first trifle left Gordon Ramsay unprepared, but things would get way funnier than expected.
I do like it, but it is actually a creamy cocktail.
You've been asking for it.
I'm not complaining.
This trifle is really reflective of your age, I think, in a big way.
Trifle only needs one, Sauterne or the champagne. However, it's moist and it's delicious and it's like, let's get drunk on a trifle.